because yesterday they have arrested 5 of our friends because of what happened last month ago concerning how they treat us with our document and also in our hospitality. So they have arrested these people with the reason that we don't know. So we come here to let the people of Padova know that these people, they are innocent people and they don't deserve this arrestment. And if it is really that they should be arrested, we think we all supposed to be arrested because this right was calling for all the people, was not calling for only 5 or a few people. So we want people of Padova to do anything possible to understand this issue and try to do it to return our friends to us, and then everyone should have his document and whatever we are requesting, and then everyone will go, so that after everyone, I think, will be living peacefully. So this is why we are here today. We are not here to explain whatever has happened. It has happened. It's good or it's bad. I think it has already happened, and we understand the situation. Now what we are waiting now is our documents and then our pocket money to go. We are not here to fight for arrestment or to come here again to announce to the people. We think all this is over. So we were surprised that this action takes over yesterday. So we call people who can do something to try to do something to make it, as we all know already, that these people will be released. They will have their document as everyone does, and then they have their money to go away, and then everything will be okay. This is why